Hey guys, this is Cody Johnson with your RV Broker, and today I'm going to be showing you an outside tour of this 2022 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 30G. Starting at the front of the unit, you will see that we have a power tongue jack, 2 safety chains, breakaway cable, 7-way pin connector. You have 2 propane bottles, a Group 27 battery. That is the saddle for the equalizer hitch that is included. On the front cap, you do have 2 LED light strips to be illuminated at night. On the passenger side, on the bottom, we have a crank down scissor jack, 2 low point drains, 1 hot, 1 cold. Above that, you have your storage compartment with magnetic latch. Previous owner had left some extra goodies in here: sewer hose, 2 tasteless water hoses, ramps, leveling blocks. And in this storage compartment, you will find a battery disconnect switch, your inverter control, and a furnace port. Hot air gets allowed in here. To the left of that, you have 2 power ports, access to your slide if the slide were to fail, and above that you have cable hookup. The unit does have a automatic awning with LED light strip, manual steps, aluminum rims. The tires are dated as 2021, meaning they were made in the 20th week of 2021. It does have 2 outside speakers, another manual scissor jack, This unit does have a power awning on the back. It is pre-wired for a backup camera if you wanted. Glass sliding doors. On the driver's side, you have your ladder, another scissor jack. This is a fueling station for all of your toys. This unit is supplied by 30 amps. Here's your furnace exhaust port. Down here you have your black and gray tank dumps. This unit does have Insta-Hot on it. In here is your wet bay. Here you'll find another battery disconnect switch, outlets, water pump switch, your city and tank fill, and you have also a outdoor shower. To the left of that is your Awning GQ 4000 watt generator. Below that you have your scissor jack and exhaust port. This unit has a spare tire underneath. And if you guys have any questions about this unit, make sure to reach out to us at yourrvbroker.com. Give us a call. Stay tuned for the interior. Have a good one, guys. Bye.